So look, I'm doing a documentary, a project about money, why people are broke, why they don't have any money. I'm down here in the heart of Vegas, old Vegas. And I'm gonna see if I can stop some of these people and ask them, hey, what did your parents teach you about money? Hey, how you doing, man? Good. Hey, I wrote this book. You ever heard of this book? I wrote this book. I'm doing this project about what people learned about money. What did your parents teach you about money?
Basically to save it, but I've never been able to do it.
Yeah.
It's been hard for me.
Yeah, where'd you grow up?
I've been here for off and on for about 23 years, and I was raised in LA.
Yeah. Mom and dad?
Stepdad.
Yeah. What did he teach you about money?
My stepdad didn't teach me anything.
Well, nothing, huh?
He taught me how to duck.
Taught you how to duck?
Yeah. He kicked the shit out of me all the time.
Did anybody teach you anything about money?
Not really, no.
What things have you learned about money? What have people told you?
About, like, as far as what?
Like, did they teach you how to get it? How to make it? How to keep it?
Not really how to keep it, but I know I have to work.
Yeah.
And it's like I'm having a hard time even finding work right now.
Yeah. How long you been down on your luck, man?
For about a year.
Yeah.
My mom passed away and I sort of gave up.
Yeah. It's $20, man.
Thank you.
Okay, man. Hey, let me ask you. See if you can finish. See if you can finish these questions I'm going to ask you. All right. A penny saved is?
Penny earned.
Money doesn't grow on
trees.
Money won't make you
happy.
Dude, it's so deep in our society. Rich people are.
I'm not gonna go there, but
no, what? Rich people are what?
Assholes usually.
Hey, my friend, how you doing? I wrote this book called The Millionaire Book. Have you ever heard of it?
No.
Well, and I'm doing a project where I'm trying to find out what people learned about money as they were growing up, as kids. What did your parents teach you about money?
How to spend it.
That's it?
That's it. My parents were rich.
Oh, yeah?
And I was poor. And they didn't want me to have anything, so they made me do things my own way. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I had to learn the hard way, step by step. I left my parents when I was about 13. I've been on my own ever since. I'm 70 now.
Wow.
I ended up with diabetes, which I got now, until my legs are swelled up.
Wow.
Leaking. So I can only stand on my feet for 2 hours a day. Then I get to sit down and rest till about nighttime. Then I come back out here about 11 o'clock.
So you're still working at 70?
Yeah.
So look, if you had a message for younger people about money, what's the biggest mistake you've made, and what would you tell them?
Biggest mistake I made? I don't think I made a mistake.
No?
No, because I learned everything the hard way.
Yeah. What do you think the biggest mistake other people are making regarding money?
They don't care.
They don't care, huh?
That's right. They don't care. They want to live for now, the moment.
Yeah.
They don't care about the past.
Do you think people need more money than they actually think they need?
No, not really.
No?
No. They need it for food. They need it for taking care of their own people.
Yeah.
Stuff like
Can you finish this statement? I'm going to ask you a question and see if you can finish it, okay? A penny saved is?
A penny earned.
Money doesn't grow
on trees.
Money won't make you
happy.
Yeah, you know, you got the same programming I got, okay? Rich people are?
I don't know.
Rich people are
I've never
what?
been rich, so I don't know.
Your parents were rich.
Well, they've been rich, but not me.
Yeah. Would you rather be rich or poor?
I'd rather be rich.
I like that, man. Okay, I'm gonna come back and give you some, all right? Thank you.
Thank you. Make sure it's over 100.
Huh? Oh, yeah, okay. Don't get greedy, man. So you see, here's a dude, 70 years old, having to work every day. You got any 20s, Jared?
Yeah.
Just give me five 20s. It's not 100, man, but it's 20, all right?
Oh, okay.
Okay?
Thank you.
Be great, man.
Thank you.
Help people out, man. Help people out. Hey, man, you got a second? Look, I wrote this book called The Millionaire Booklet. This is my 7th book I've written, okay? And I'm doing a project about money, about how Americans have been misinformed about money.
Right.
What were you taught about money?
What was I taught about money?
Yeah.
To save money. And you got to work hard to get money. You
So
know,
who taught you this?
My grandfather was the biggest
Influence?
Yeah. I'd say at 12 years old, he had me working, and you know, I was definitely, you know, that's where my work ethics came from and stuff like that.
So let me ask you this. See if you can finish these statements I'm going to ask you, okay? Money won't make you
happy.
A penny saved is?
Penny earned.
Money doesn't grow on?
The green grass, no, trees.
Rich people are?
Rich.
They're just rich.
No, I've never heard that one.
No, like rich people are greedy or they're evil?
Oh,
or
no,
money is the root of?
all evil.
What advice would you give somebody out there 35 years old about money?
About money?
Would you tell them to go get more, get less, pay attention
I would
to
say
it?
that you should have started saving 20 years ago, sucker.
Yeah.
You know?
What's the biggest mistake you've made with regards to money?
Exactly what I'm preaching, not saving, you know? Just spending, you know?
You could do it all over again. What one thing would you not do again? Biggest mistake you've made in your life? The one that cost you $1 million?
Drugs.
Drugs.
Yep. Drugs and alcohol. You know, being that guy in the bar buying rounds on a Friday, you know, $800 check gone on a Friday, borrowing money, getting a cash advance from the boss on Monday, you know?
Yeah.
Hey, cool, man.
There it is, buddy. Okay, you guys out there trying to beat a baller, trying to beat a player, I guarantee you when that guy was picking up the $800 checks, he never thought he'd be homeless. 35 years old, teeth all broken. Nobody, listen to me. Nobody does drugs thinking they're gonna be a drug addict. Nobody, okay? I've known thousands, tens of thousands of them, me included. Nobody does drugs and alcohol thinking one day I'm gonna be a junkie. It's a shame, man. You get your money right, okay? You get your money right, at least you can pay for a treatment center. You get your money right, you get to a whole another level of people, man. Look, that guy's got 30 years to that. Don't feel sorry for him today. And I know some of you are gonna be like, he's just gonna go use that 20 bucks on some drugs. That's his choice. He can do whatever he wants to do with it. It's his money, free country. I didn't give him 20 bucks. He gave me some great, valuable information, and hopefully you'll take advantage of it. A lot of people down here, a lot of people busted up down here, huh? These places 30 years ago were rocking, man. Sinatra came down here, Dean Martin, all the Rat Pack. This thing was rocking hard. Now we could do it right here, guys.
Would you mind if we asked you a couple questions on video? We're doing a project about money.
About money. I've written 7 books. This is the latest one, a really simple book on money.
Okay.
Where are you from?
Chicago.
Chicago, great city. Who was the biggest influencer in your life, teaching you about things like money?
Probably my grandparents.
Yeah. What did they teach you about money?
They hooked me up with their financial advisor at a very young age.
Oh, really?
Through a trust. So yeah.
Like how you were raised rich?
I mean, well off.
Yeah. So I mean, but what was the message? Just turn it over to somebody else, or did they tell you?
They were very deliberate about like the amount that you should put in savings versus like the amount you should put as like your discretionary spend.
Did it work out?
Sure.
Yeah. So
no complaints.
Now what do you have kids?
I do.
What are you teaching your kids about money?
The same.
Like what?
So well, obviously, you know, I've also hooked them up with my financial advisor, but you know, the importance of, you know, being very deliberate with your spending and then making sure you're making smart investments.
Yeah. See if you can finish these statements for me, all right?
Okay.
A penny saved is?
A penny earned.
Money doesn't grow on?
Trees.
Money won't make you?
Happy.
Rich people are?
I don't know.
No?
Rich?
In your mind, like, at what number would you consider somebody rich? Like what type of number? Like a net worth number?
I mean, I think it depends.
What do you think? What's the first number that came to your mind?
Like total net worth?
Yeah.
Probably like a couple mil.
Good. $2 million, dude? You know how fast you go to do $2 million? Then you got to ask yourself, what does rich mean? What does it really mean? Does it mean you have enough money, or you go to sleep at night and you're like, dude, I'm cool, I'm good.
Yeah.
Everything's fine. There's nothing that can freaking wipe me out. So you really got to start asking yourself these questions. Parents, that's what you need to start telling your kids. Like, what does this mean? What is 2 million? What is 1 million? What is 5 million? Where would it go? What is deliberate? What is spending? What is making? What is multiplying? This dude. Dude. This is about money,
What's your
man.
name?
Bernie.
Bernie?
Bernie. I'm
This is
Grant
Grant.
Cardone. Okay? I've
There you
written
go.
several books. I've written 7 books on finance and business. And this is my most recent book. It's a little 44-page pamphlet on millionaire book, like how to make $1 million.
Oh, right.
And then turn it into 100 million.
Yeah, I need that.
Dude, what did you learn about money as a kid?
Save it.
Save it?
Yeah.
Who taught you that?
My oldies, my parents.
Yeah. Was it your mom or your dad?
Probably my dad more than my mum.
And what would he say to you all the time?
What are you doing with your money, Bern?
What are you doing with your money? And what would you say?
I'm saving it.
Yeah. What were you saving it for?
I don't know. Mainly in Australia, we just try and buy a house. You know, that's the lump. You know, that's what everyone works for.
Yeah. So did you grow up poor, middle class, or rich?
And my mum used to make my own clothes when I was young, and then we built up, and then we lived in a tiny little crap house, and then we moved to a better one, and then we moved to a better one. So.
How much money do you think it would take for you to say, hey, I'm rich?
I don't know. I reckon we guys be wealthy enough if I could. I don't know.
If you picked a number, first number that comes to your head.
I don't know, $1 million.
$1 million. US or Australian dollars?
Well, I don't know. Australian, probably.
Okay, right now, Australian money. See if you can finish these statements, okay? You're from the other part of the universe, right?
Yeah.
Let's see if it works here. A penny saved is?
I don't know.
No. Money doesn't grow on
Trees.
Yeah, good. You got that one. Money is the root of
Happiness.
Evil.
Oh, evil. All right.
Get her.
How to get her do it, babe?
Money is the root of
All evil.
rich people are
Assholes. No.
assholes. Dude, if you had $1 million right now, okay, what's the first thing you would do with it?
Probably on top of Caesar's Palace.
And do what?
I don't know. Live it up. Probably be next to Britney Spears, playing every night.
But then you just violated what your dad told you to do, man.
Yeah, I know that. Yeah, but that's what every rich person do. You don't. There's no point going into the grave with all your money in your pocket.
Yeah. Do you think rich people are cool people or bad people, evil people, or what?
I don't know. You make your own destiny, man. Like everyone's different.
Yeah.
Depends what sort of person you are.
Yeah. Would a lot of money make you a better person or a worse person?
Well, that's what you see, I suppose.
No, but with you.
I don't know. I'd like to think of myself as a good person. I'll probably dish it out a bit.
Yeah. $1 million. Okay, let me tell you. Yeah, if your number's $1 million, you made a lazy decision. Okay, you made a lazy decision. Dude, let me. So I've written several books about money and finance.
Okay.
What were you taught about money as a kid?
Pretty much careful with it, and be careful. It's pretty much be careful with it and try to use it wisely.
Who taught you that?
My mom.
Okay. So she was the major influence?
She was the one who raised me pretty much.
Did your mom know how to make money?
Huh?
Did your mom know how to make money?
She made money to raise me, so yeah.
Okay, see if you can finish these statements for me, all right? A penny saved is?
Penny earned.
Money doesn't grow on?
Trees.
Money won't make you?
Happy.
Rich people are?
Sad, in a way, you can say.
Dude, how much money would you need in a bank to be like, okay, I got you money?
Probably 500,000.
Where you be like, I'm rich.
Yeah, well, I'd be solid.
You're the man, bro. I appreciate it. Thank you.
Hey, ladies. Hey, you guys want to be?
I just want to know what you're talking about.
We're talking about this book that I just wrote called The Millionaire Booklet.
Ooh. Did we learn how to be a millionaire?
Yeah.
Hey.
Yeah. This is the 7th book I've written.
is this that show where you're tricking us and then you're gonna be like, got you?
No.
You're on camera. Oh.
So, look, I got some questions for you guys, okay? You're the cutest couple that we've had today, all right?
Well, thank you.
So I'm going to ask you a question, then you answer it, and then you answer it, okay? Separately, all right? Who was the biggest influence in your life that taught you about money?
Oh, myself.
You did? You taught yourself?
Yeah, I would say.
Who taught you?
My mom.
Okay. What did your mom teach you about money?
Spend it wisely.
Okay. Did your mom teach you how to make money?
I know, huh?
No, I think I did that on my own.
Once you make it, you want to make more of it.
Yeah.
And work harder.
Did your mom teach you like how much money? Did you ever have a lesson about what was enough money to have?
No, I don't recall.
Were you taught about how much is enough?
No, there's never enough.
But was there ever a target? Like, look, did anybody ever sit down and say, look, you actually need this much money to have some financial freedom in life?
No, not a limit.
No. Okay, so now I'm going to ask you a question, all right? You got to close your ears right now.
Oh, okay.
You close your.
Okay.
Money doesn't grow on
Trees.
a penny saved is.
Earn.
Money won't make you.
Happy.
Rich people are.
I don't know. I don't know that one.
No? Rich people are what? Fill in the blank. Rich people
What are they?
Rich people are what?
I was gonna say assholes.
Okay.
Oh.
Did you hear that?
No.
Okay, so I'm gonna ask you. I'm gonna say something. You fill in the blank.
Okay.
A penny saved is.
More than another penny.
Okay, good. Money won't grow on.
Trees.
Money won't make you.
Happy.
Rich people are.
Filthy. Filthy rich.
Okay, so one more question, okay? Okay. How much money would you have total financial freedom? First number that comes to your mind.
Infinity.
Give me a number though.
I don't know.
Give me a number, any number. First number that comes to your mind.
100,000 million zillion.
How much money would you need to have total financial freedom? First number that comes to your mind.
2.5 million.
There you go. Okay, you guys are awesome, all right?
Really?
Thank you
What was
guys.
the number? What was the number?
Wait, what do we
There
do?
is no real number.
Do we get something?
No,
We don't get anything.
we're making a movie out of it.
Oh. What about
When is
your
it gonna
book?
be on?
Do we get one of your books?
Here, yeah.
Really?
Oh, you know this guy?
He's really cute.
You guys are wrong. We're going to continue our work on the millionaire booklet and why you have been given the wrong data. So look, if you want to be part of that, let me know. millionairebooklet.com/free. It's in the link below. And for all of you out there that are on the mantra, never quit, never quit, never quit. Come on, everybody quits. Let's keep it real. Let's keep it real. Everybody quits. Everybody, okay? Since you were a little kid, I know for myself, if I can't win at a game, sooner or later, after a while, I get frustrated, throw the board down and walk away. And I go play another game. So look, I want to help you with this money game. In comments, post who taught you about money in your life and what did they teach you? Okay, and hey, what didn't they teach you? Did anybody say get rich? Did anybody say create 17 flows of income and here's how you do it? Did anybody say never walk away from your first flow of income until you got the second one, the third one, the fourth one, the fifth one, and the sixth one? Did anyone tell you that the 401k is a scam that was literally created by Wall Street to trap your money and steal it and control it for the next 30 years? Did your mom and daddy tell you to buy a house? Everybody we interviewed today, that's what they said. Buy a house, get an education, save money. Did your daddy tell you save money, son? Okay, I think that's why you're broke or struggling. I know that's why I was broke for too long. That's why I struggled for way too long. I mean, I got this bird today. Literally every person that I know said don't do that. That's a mistake. The only two people that told me that I should buy a jet were people that have 10 times the money that I have. Where are you getting your advice from, right? Teammates, you on my team, I'm on your team, okay? Look, I'm on your team whether you want me on your team or not, man. You love me today, you hate me tomorrow. I'm here to tell you the truth, okay?